Hi, in front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and then clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Then click on voice typing in keyboard settings and tap on the gray sweater next to use voice typing to activate it. When you're done, go back to your keyboard and tap on now visible microphone icon. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up, and after seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!